Hi, I'm Darci Noonchester, and I'm from Nourishing Way Center, and today's topic is on unrefined sea salt, or talk about the different types of sea salt. And the first one is the Morton's salt that everyone is familiar with, and I'm just going to show you the actual color of it. We all know the color of it, but it's white. As you can tell here, you can barely see it on the plate. But Morton's is iodized salt, which is fine. It's great for your metabolism and for your thyroid function, which is important. But it has aluminum in it, which can cause memory loss. So then other people tend to switch to what's called Hain's sea salt. And this one is actually iodized, but there are other sea salts that don't have iodine in it. Iodine's a mineral, but again, it's white, it's refined, so they're stripping all the minerals out of it with these two salts. So there are other salts that are unrefined, such as this Redmond real salt. And with this one, it's actually, as you can tell, it has a color to it. It has a little bit of a pink color, and there's actually 50 minerals in it. And for those of you who need to do kosher, they actually have a kosher sea salt now. It does contain iodine and 50 other minerals in it as well. It's a little bit saltier, so if you like the salt taste. And then there's another one called Celtic sea salt, which is more of a gray color, and this has about 80 minerals in it. Those are the two that I typically recommend. There's a Himalayan sea salt, but it's 3 times the amount of money. So the Redmond is probably going to be the cheapest for you, and then the Celtic sea salt is actually what I use. It has a lot of moisture in it, so you have to be careful when you are using it over a pot that has, if it's cooking and you got that steam coming from it, it will kind of clump together a little bit, so you have to be careful. So the unrefined sea salt actually is great for blood pressure regulation, so if it's too low or too high, it does help with that. It aids in digestion of your foods. A lot of people talk about they have really dry skin. It does help with the moisture of your skin, and if you ever get sick, you use that to gargle with, and it's great for sore throats. So there's actually a list of different benefits from the unrefined sea salt. I just gave you a few. Thank you very much. This is Darci Noonchester with Nourishing Way Center. And remember, there's nothing you can't do.